Hi guys, today we will be unboxing the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3. I'm unboxing it in this way so you can get a POV view of how it feels like to unbox a Microsoft Surface laptops. Okay, let me just open this first. Okay, the specs of this laptop, I'll add it over here. Okay, so once you cut open the box, the laptop does come nicely packed on a cloth sleeve. So okay, we'll keep the laptop to the side. Okay, so this seems just like a paper which has some general information. Seems like you can use it as a mouse pad. Okay, now let's see what's inside these two boxes. It seems that this should be the charger. Okay. Okay, it does have the UK plug which plugs into this power adapter, and it does have the magnetic power connector. And if you look here, it does come with a USB type A, so you can add additional USB. If you want to connect an additional USB, you can do that as well as it is a 65-watt charger, so we should expect the laptop to charge at a rapid speed. Okay, and let's see what's in this little box. Okay, it just seems to be some paperwork which keep that aside. Okay, now let's have a closer look at the laptop. Okay, it is a silver color and the okay. And now if we open it, okay, and the surrounding area of the keyboard seems to be this very nice Alcantara material. I do wonder what would happen if you spill water over this material. We can try that perhaps in the next video. Okay, let's have a look at the side ports. Okay, it is a USB type A, a USB type C, and a headphone jack over here. Okay, and this is what Microsoft calls as the Microsoft Connect port, which is basically where you connect the charger. Okay, now we will turn on the laptop to get first impressions on the general overview of this laptop. Now I have been using this laptop for a while, and it does seem to be very snappy and quick. Just browsing through web pages seem to be pretty fast. Now the typing experience is also very nice. It does have a very clicky sound, if you want to say. Like, let's give it a hear. And the typing experience also does seem to be very nice. And also the touch screen seems to be very responsive and very interactive. Okay, this is what this is how the webcam of this laptop looks like. I'll add a few pictures and some video I've taken from the webcam of the Microsoft Surface laptop, so you guys can also have an in-depth view of how the pictures and video look like.